Hey guys, welcome to Jazz Tech Vlogs channel. This video is about Apple event which has been done yesterday. So what are the products released in the Apple event and what are those? Let's discuss in this video. So let's get started.
Check the mic and make sure it sound right, boys.
So Apple event happened yesterday and mainly 4 products have been released. I mean 3 products. I mean already one product is released last year, but only with few color changes it has been introduced this year also. That is HomePod Mini. So first of all we used to get the HomePod Mini in white and black color, but right now we are getting few more colors like yellow, orange and blue, I think. Exactly, I don't remember the colors, but 3 more colors has been added to the HomePod Mini. So if you like the colorful HomePod Mini, this is the time you can get the HomePod Mini in another color apart from black and white. So let's move on to the second product of the event, that is Apple AirPods 3rd generation. So Apple AirPods 3rd generation, it comes in the design of AirPods Pro, but it doesn't have buds. Buds means, you know, the silicone tips which will seal your ears from inside. Those tips are not present on this comes with spatial audio feature in it. In AirPods 3rd generation there is a hardware upgrade regarding the spatial audio, so the spatial audio will work out very properly on this AirPods 3rd generation. So it has a short stems like AirPods Pro. So however you go ahead and change the tracks and increase the volume or wake up the Siri, all those things will be same as AirPods Pro on in the AirPods 3 also. Apart from this, there is a special driver in it which is used for the enhancement of bass. So if you are a bass lover, you will definitely will be satisfied with this AirPods 3rd generation, because there is a dedicated driver for the bass, and the bass will be very richer, and the bass lovers will enjoy the bass a lot using this AirPods 3rd generation. So this AirPod 3rd generation comes with MagSafe charger, that is wireless charger, that will come inside the box of the AirPods 3, because usually Apple does not include these wireless chargers in the box. They will sell separately and we need to spend some more amount for the wireless charging pads. But right now with AirPods 3 they are giving the wireless charging pad also with it, that is a MagSafe wireless charging pad. So that would be a great one. This AirPods 3rd generation costs around 18,500 in India right now. So that's a huge price actually, if we think about AirPods. But usually when AirPods 2 has been launched, it has been launched over 15,000 in India. So this is a slight upgrade for the AirPods 2nd generation. Definitely Apple would increase the price. You know that they have increased the price 3,500 rupees from the 2nd generation. So that's it for AirPods 3rd generation, guys. So right now we'll move on to the next product, which is MacBook Pros. So before going to the MacBook Pros, Apple has launched their own their next generation silicon chip. Actually last year M1 chip has been introduced into the market. I mean M1 chip performed very good when we compare to the Intel chips which comes in Windows laptops or MacBook laptops. So the M1 silicon chip has been in everyone's mind because of its performance. So successor has been announced right now, which is M1 Pro and M1 Max. These chips are really good right now. The architecture of these M1 chips you might be knowing, because they will definitely integrate CPU, GPU, RAM, memory, everything inside the chip only. So that's why this will perform very fast in terms of any task. This M1 Max chips takes the performance to another level. It gives almost twice performance when compared to M1 Pro. So this M1 Max is totally a maxed out processor, and this will perform any task given, because if you want to do some high graphic rendering, you can do that in this laptop using this M1 Max chip. So that is how this M1 Max chips performs. So this M1 chip has 10 core CPU and 32 core GPU. When we compare this to M1 Pro, it performs twice in the graphic department. That's huge bump up, and it can read and write up to 400 gigabytes per second. That's huge, guys. That's huge. So this M1 Pro and this M1 Max will create lots of noise in the market. These are the chips: M1 Pro and M1 Max has been released, and these M1 Pro and M1 Max can be used in MacBook Pro models. So two models has been released, MacBook Pro 2 models has been released, which is 14-inch and 16-inch model. MacBook Pros are looking like the old MacBook Pros, the chassis and the style of the MacBook Pros looking like old MacBook Pros models, which are like little bit thick and boxy shape kind of thing, but sides are curved. It looks like old MacBook Pro style, but they are looking really good. And the touch bar has gone from this MacBook Pros. Touch bar has been removed. Who don't use touch bar, they will this is a great news for them, and who uses the touch bar, this is not great news for them. This MacBook Pros 14-inch and 16-inch has greatest battery performance. It gives around 7 to 10 hours of battery improvement when we compare to the last MacBook Pros model. So that's a huge improvement, because this laptop looks little bit thick. So the battery has been, I think the battery has been also increased in this MacBook Pros, and these MacBook Pros has dual fan system also. One disappointing thing in this MacBook Pros are they got notch on it. Yes, you heard right. They introduced notch in the M1 MacBook Pros, and there is no Face ID in it. If the notch is present, why the Face ID is not present? I don't know exactly, but they have improved their web camera to 1080p resolution, and they are saying that the sensor size of this camera already large, so that it will give great results for your webcam in 1080p resolution. This notch is not that great while looking at it, but the great news with this MacBook Pros are they have got SD card slot. SD card slot has been returned to this MacBook Pros, and HDMI port has been returned to this MacBook Pros. And one more thing that is the most awaited feature which used to come in the older MacBooks, which is MagSafe charging. So that's a great news. So these M1 Pro MacBooks, which are 16-inch and 14-inch, has the display of Liquid Retina XDR display. This is nothing but mini LED technology which is used in the iPad Pros. So this mini LED technology will work out really good. So the display is really good. It has a 1600 nits peak brightness. And this MacBook Pro support the spatial audio feature also. So you don't need to put any earphones to enjoy the spatial audio feature. You can directly get spatial audio feature from using this MacBook Pros. They has a huge speakers which create an impact of spatial audio because of the hardware present in those speakers. So the final thing is the price of this MacBook Pros. The 14-inch MacBook Pro with M1 Pro chip in it, which comes with the price of 1,94,900, which is 1,95,000. And the 16-inch MacBook Pro with M1 Pro chipset starts with 2,40,000. So this is the price of the starting base range of this MacBook Pros. If you get the 14-inch MacBook Pro with M1 Max chip in it, so you need to pay around 2,79,000 for the base variant. So this is the price range, and these are definitely not affordable or not cheap at all. These are very expensive models. I mean, most of the content creators will be very happy with the MacBooks which comes with M1 processor in it. Those M1 MacBooks are mostly sufficient for most of the content creators because it gives you really good performance with 16 GB RAM variant. So the people who are working in the cinemas or graphic design studios, those people should work on graphic content and 8K resolution footages, all those kind of things. So they need to get these kind of MacBook Pros. Those kind of works will be handled with M1 Pro and M1 Max chipsets. So these are the products released in the Apple event. So I hope this video is informative to you, and I hope you enjoyed the video. So please don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel, and please comment down below. So see you guys in the next video. Until then, take care and love you all, and keep rocking.